Hello all. Today we are going to learn advanced English vocabulary through a story you might actually see in your own workplace. I will narrate the story first. You just listen and visualize it. After that, we will break down the advanced words used in the story, understand their meanings, and learn how to use them in real life conversations. Let's begin. It's a story of Ria. Ria was known as a quiet achiever in her office. She was skilled, dependable, and always met deadlines. But there was one thing she struggled with speaking up. She preferred to stay in the background, letting others take the spotlight. It wasn't that she lacked ideas, she simply feared making mistakes. And that thought of everyone staring at her made her nervous. Over time, this fear became her comfort zone. Then one Monday morning, her manager said, Ria, I would like you to present your quarterly project update to the entire department this Friday. Her heart sank. She wanted to say no, but she realized something. Growth never happens inside your comfort zone. That week, Ria prepared her like never before. She spent hours researching data, refining her slides until they looked professional and compelling. She practiced her delivery relentlessly, recording herself, analyzing her tone, and making improvements each time. Friday arrived. As she walked into the conference room, she felt her palms sweat and her hands tremble. But she reminded herself why she had taken this challenge to break her own limitations. When she began speaking, her voice was slowly shaky at first, but soon she gained confidence. Her presentation had clarity. Her points were persuasive. Her examples were relatable, making the audience nod in agreement. When she concluded, there was a moment of silence, followed by a wave of applause. Her manager smiled and said, This is what happens when you push yourself beyond fear. That day, Ria did not just deliver a presentation, she discovered a new version of herself. Now, let's move to your English learning takeaways from this story. These are the advanced words and expressions we used. Once you understand and practice them, you can bring the same confidence to your own communication. The first word we used, refining, means improving something by making small, effective changes. We'll use that word in a sentence. We are refining our onboarding process to make it smoother. We are refining our onboarding process to make it smoother. The second one we used, that is relentlessly, means with determination without giving up. With determination without giving up. We'll use that in a sentence. She pursued her career goals relentlessly. The third word we used, tremble, means shake slightly due to fear, nervousness, or excitement. We'll use that in a sentence. My hands trembled before signing the offer letter. The fourth word we used, clarity, means being clear and easy to understand. We'll use that in a sentence. Could you provide more clarity on this requirement? The fifth word we used, persuasive, means able to convince people effectively. Able to convince people effectively. We'll use that in a sentence. His persuasive arguments won the client trust. The sixth word, relatable, means easy for people to connect with because it feels familiar. We'll use that in an example sentence. Her relatable story made everyone feel understood. Her relatable story made everyone feel understood. The seventh one, Applause means showing appreciation through clapping or praise. Example sentence using applause word. The team's innovative idea received loud applause. So, here is your task for today. Pick two of these words and use them in your next conversation, email, or even a social media post. The more you used advanced vocabulary naturally, the more fluent and confident you will become. Comment below which word you are going to learn. Share this video with someone who needs the same boost of motivation. Remember, just like Ria, your growth begins the moment you step beyond fear.